Welcome to the Dish Takeout, bringing you all the freshest restaurant news this week. I'm Lawrence Baker, Communications Director at the New Mexico Restaurant Association, and here are the juiciest bites from our newsletter in a short takeout format that's easy for you to digest on the go. In case you haven't heard, the New Mexico Restaurant Association is in the process of launching our new Hospitality Business School. This 10-week program accelerates hospitality careers by helping master the management and financial skills needed to be a great leader. This program is a fully virtual learning and networking opportunity built for the busy hospitality manager, owner, and partner. Use the link on the screen to register for our April 19th informational webinar to be the first one in line for this exciting program. Next up, we close out our March Sustainability series with a discussion on composting. When it comes to kitchen scraps, figuring out what you can compost feels a little bit like playing compost roulette. Some scraps will help your compost thrive, while others will attract unwanted visitors. Check out this blog to learn 5 kitchen items that can go in the compost and a few that can't. Don't forget, NMRA has added new classes to our ServSafe class schedule for spring and summer. We will have manager certification classes in Albuquerque, Gallup, Las Cruces, Taos, and Santa Fe. We know not everyone can make it to Albuquerque, so make sure to register for these classes in your local area before they fill up. Visit our calendar at the link on the screen to find a class for you. Don't forget to use your membership discount and save money. Visit Albuquerque has announced a tourism grant program. The program's goal is to spark innovative ideas that contribute to Albuquerque's vibrancy and build new creative visitor and residence experiences that grow a more diverse and thriving tourism economy. Applications are available from now until April 28th. There is an informational workshop for interested applicants happening on April 3rd at 3:30 p.m. The program is funded by revenue generated by the Albuquerque Tourism Marketing District. Use the links on the screen to learn more and register for the workshop. You can find all the links from the video in the description. Don't forget to check out previous episodes and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or catch us weekly on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. This has been the Dish Takeout edition for the week of March 31st. Eat up!